the previous model, we mentioned that reality should have two major qualities, existence and truth, and these two should be actually united in the essence of reality. Now we are going to go over existence. How is existence known? What is it related to? In part, we are going to suggest that existence of reality is extracted from possibility, and possibility is a general concept that can be extracted from mathematics. If you look at the mathematics, the geometry and numbers, they show the possibility to exist. There can be two major philosophical positions towards mathematics: nominalism and realism. Nominalists basically say that mathematical objects do not actually exist and they're only nominal. But realists claim that mathematical objects have actual existence. If we say that we should be either a nominalist or a realist and suspend judgment of them on them, we might be accused of being excessively analytic or distinctive. If we say that we should accept both of them, we might be accused of being paradoxical. If we accept the realist position, we might be accused of being too optimistic. And if we accept the nominalist position, we might be accused of being excessively pessimistic and reductionist. So what should we really do? What's the balanced model that can help us have a true understanding of possibility? The first mind map of possibility, I categorize it as excessively analytic. Well, it is quite a good model for possibility as long as it is not exaggerated. But when it is exaggerated and your whole philosophy is based on this mind map, it becomes excessive, meaning that this mind map predisposes you to categorize everything into positive and negative, or try to bring a positive proposition for every negative one, or a negative proposition for every positive proposition. This mind map can lead you to agnosticism, positivism, because it's a dualistic mind map, positive versus negative. The second mind map is the excessively synthetic mind map. Again, possibility is a mixture of existence and non-existence, but when you base your whole philosophy based on this mind map, it can lead to paradox, because if possibility is only made of existence and non-existence, then possibility is a paradox by its very nature, and it leads you to the paradox of non-self instantiating, Hegelianism and permissivism. Hegelianism is not a problem as long as it is not exaggerated, but when you say that everything is made of being and non-being, or existence and non-existence, it becomes a paradox. The third mind map is the excessively increasing one. An increasing philosophy tends to give inherent existence to possible things, because it only actually goes over the relation between possibility and existence. So this excessive focus on the relationship of possibility to existence might make you forget the relation of possibility to non-existence, and make you increase everything to the existence, or give inherent existence to possible things. For example, pantheism is an example of this philosophical tendency. It gives inherent existence to universe. Universe as a contingent thing is not inherently existence. It is dependent on something. Or polytheism increases the level of contingent things to existence. The fourth mind map is the excessively reductionist mind map. This mind map tends to decrease everything to its negative level, or to non-existence. A very excessive version of this mind map can lead you to nihilism, and there is a continuum in this mind map, in which the closer you are to the non-existent part, you might be accused of being nihilistic, and the closer you are to the possibility part, you might be called an atheist. This mind map, to compare this mind map with the previous mind map, let me give you an example. Imagine you are in a class, an increasing philosophy or a polytheistic philosophy is like a student who increases the level of students to the level of teacher and suggests that there are multiple teachers in a normal class. But a reductionist mind map or an atheistic mind map is like a student who reduces the level of the teacher to the level of students and suggests that there is no teacher in a normal class. But balanced mind map considers the relationship of possibility to both existence and non-existence and is neither too increasing nor too reductionist nor too synthetic and not too analytic. Possibility in here acts like a medium between existence and non-existence, and it at the same time it analyzes and synthesizes existence and non-existence, because a medium has this special quality of separating and mixing the two sides at the same time. In this mind map, existence is automatically divine because it is at the top of the hierarchy. Possibility depends on existence in order to escape non-existence. If someone asks you, if we are possible beings, how can we move towards existence and non-existence, you have to remind him of the analytic nature of possibility. And if someone asks you, if you are a contingent being, how can we know about our own nature, you have to remind him of the synthetic nature of possibility. Just let's go back to the synthetic and analytic models to see how it works. This is the analytic mind map, how possibility can move towards existence and non-existence, and this is the synthetic mind map in which we are made of existence and non-existence. But in the balanced mind map, we have both of these, and it is the most comprehensive mind map.